Nkiama ya mĩanka na ithurano nĩyo Iebc nĩthithĩtie kĩgomano gĩa kũthũnja ũrĩa betithirie na mbere kĩthurano kĩthiru kĩa mweri jwa inana kenda bomba Kuireba gwĩtithia na mbere ithurano bya ntuku iri ikeja gũtina mururu kinya juriku. Rĩrĩ nĩ kĩrĩgeria rĩa gũtigĩra nĩ kweza na mpumi chaoma na igwĩtĩkĩka.
Bunge nene oroteri ikamite mĩanka na ithurano ja nthiguru ne Kenya jwa Iebc nontuba kwethira gitinke muguru na nyakiri gichano gikinene gya kurigire motho ja ithurano yatakuruke.
Good morning all.
Kulingana mwerekithiria omantu ja ithurano ne kamiti na Iebc Crispin Otieno ni ati motho ja kina campaign amo motho ja kugamia kandi limitation ida mweje thiritu ja kiambire tiri kiri nchuku cia bunge na jarigitetheria mono kirithono bira birakurukire.
Election operations, the Iebc experience. It's a report in our website, submitted it to Parliament, together with the Election Laws Amendment Bill of 2020. So that's how expedient we were in facilitating amendments to our election laws. But you all reckon that the bill did not see the light of the day until the year 2022, which was an election year, just a few months to the general election. And of course, National Assembly passed it, then it was committed to the Senate, and that's where it is to date.
Mwabu kiama Iebc nishokete ndekithire gwita na mbere mawatho ja ithurano ja kitho ja kiondo atibatere kwitho ja kiondo na gwitithwo ngugi mwakene jo ithurano. Professor Abdigulie ikamishino Iebc.
Any legal reforms that has to be done must be done either 1 year or 2 years to the election, so that it is part of the Elections Act. And in the event that an amendment is done to the election within the 1 year timeline to the election, then it does not apply to that current year. It will apply to subsequent year, so that we don't shut out from anybody who has good ideas, but we will tell them, sorry, your ideas have time barred for now, but they will be applied in a subsequent election.
Kingi na giki nene kiama ja Iebc nishokete orotera thirikari nontuba kwithurira kiria budget eyo kagite ne kamuthia ontuba bakunithiri twiremia nya kwithurira kionjia mibango ithuraniri.
It's because of the late disbursement of resources that make the commission to go for proprietary softwares. And the Commission has the capacity. We have developed a lot of other in-house applications for other uses. And if the Commission is funded early enough, it can develop this kind of application and have an ample time to test that technology, fine-tune and improve in readiness for an election. But of course, this doesn't happen.
Kagite negaka nako kiama ja Iebc na mbere ite ubango kwithura thongoni ithurano bithiru na nirigiri kwithura gita report yo muthia mwaka jo twitete. Report ejenyo kulingana abo kethura itetheria kwerekithia gukira ubangana bo ithurano mwaka jo 2027.
The reason why we did not do a mass voter is because of the limitations of funding. The best way is to have enhanced continuous voter registration, or rather to undertake the continuous exercise, but allow the commission employees at the constituencies to be mobile within their constituencies. Each year when we do our annual budgets and we include that item, it has always been the first thing to be removed.
Nke reporter Antoshauru TV kumaja kengina ngina kifuke Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.